thank you very much for coming along. And this is the night before the book is launched, and actually most people in the room know each other, so it's kind of, I don't have to do any introductions, but so thank you for coming along. Before we get going though, I'm very fortunate because my friend Tony I've won an award, and my friend Tony is going to explain the award and before presenting it to me, I think. Is that right? I've got to be surprised.
Essentially, a couple of months ago, Mark phoned me up and was sort of telling me a bit about the fact that sort of Coca-Cola have been presenting awards for themselves for the environment, and felt that it might be appropriate if, in the same sort of sense, there could be an award that might suit his needs. And so it was sort of pretty much sort of set up that in his absence there has been, there's been some work, and I think the Coca-Cola Award, something Peacock Award.
They have a Golden Peacock Award for the environment.
Award. And essentially it was sort of thought that there should be an Emerald Eagle Award for unbiased journalism. To compensate, obviously, to show Coca-Cola the way forward to doing something that was sort of totally democratic. So, in the spirit of meaningless awards, alongside the Henry Kissinger Award for Diplomacy or the Golden Peacock Coca-Cola Award for the environment, or for the Gordon Brown Award for longevity, we have the Emerald Eagle Award for unbiased journalism, and it's my great pleasure to present it tonight. There's been quite a few contenders, so
in reverse order,
tonight's winner for the 2008 award for unbiased journalism, Mark Thomas!
Thank you so much. Thank you. I really didn't. Thank you. I'd just like to say this isn't just for me. It's for all the little people. Thank you. This is a wonderful thing, and I'm going to put it on my shelf. Thank you so much for. It isn't emerald, but I think it's golden. It is golden. It looks like a grouse, which is very apt. So thank you ever so much, Tony. I will treasure this always, and every time I see it, I'll think of unbiased journalism.